Hey, 10th grade. So today we're working on setting up your code. We're not putting any information in, we're just trying to get each sprite with some blocks of code. So as you can see, I already have my 12 different sprites to represent each of the groups of animals that we learned about. So I have my mammals, I have my fish, I have my amphibians, I have my reptiles, I used a red-eared slider, I have my segmented worm, I have my flatworm, I have my mollusk, I have my jellyfish, my sponges, my starfish, my birds, my arthropods. And so you should have 12 different sprites. I even arranged them in 4 by 3 so that it's easy to see 4 times 3 is 12. So the code that you need for each one of these sprites, so I'm going to start with my bear. And I just want to make sure that it's clicked and I can see the bear in the top corner too, and that will tell me that this is the sprite that I'm making code for. So the first thing you want is an event, and for this project, you need to use the when this sprite is clicked. That's what you need to use. So when I click on this sprite, stuff will happen. That's what I want to see. You need 3 facts about that type of animal. So I'm not going to put any facts in, but I do need 3 blocks. So I'm going to add my 3. 1 fact, 2 facts, 3 facts, and then I want some bonus points. I'm going to add a sound. Okay. And I can change the sound. I'll show you how to do that at another tutorial because right now we're just getting our blocks ready. Okay, so once I have this, I can click on the sprite and hold it, and I can move it over to my other sprites. Now, if I hold it over this, you can see that this one starts moving. It's highlighted blue. If I do that, that means that this sprite now has that code. It copied it. So I can do it again. I can hold it down. I can drag it over to birds. I copied it. I can hold it. I can drag it over to frog is highlighted. So I'll do that. And I can see the blue ring around frog, and that's how I know that that's the sprite that got the code. So even if I look at frog, see, it got the code. So I can click on the top part of this, click on the yellow one, don't click on the purple or the light purple, and go to fish. Everything is blue, but then the fish sort of wiggles a little bit. If I move over, the fish sort of wiggles and then it shakes, and that's how I know that my fish got it. See, there it is. So that helps me, and I can just copy and paste this code into all of my stuff. I don't even have to keep making the same thing. I can just use this pattern. Starfish shook, so I know that's what has it. Come over to mollusk. Nope, yep, mollusk shook. That's the one I want. Come over to flatworm. Flatworm shaken, so that's the one I got. Move up a little bit. Jellyfish. Click on this and drag it over. The jellyfish is shaking. And my last one, now sponges. Come on, sponges. There we go. All right. So now I should have my code in all of them. Oh, I'm missing jellyfish. Let me make that happen. Come on, jellyfish. Ah, there we go. Okay. So now jellyfish has the code. So now I have all 12 sprites. Some of them are real pictures, so I'm going to get extra points for that. I have code for each one of my sprites, and tomorrow we'll work on finding those facts and citing them for even more points. Okay, if you have any questions, please go to Google Classroom and post a response or come to my office hours or email me. I'm here for you guys. Let's get this done. Bye.